Dale Calvert, author of plugandplaycrypto.com, the book plugandplaycrypto.com. What we're looking at is a Hivemapper dash camera. And, you know, we're driving right now, and this dash camera is actually hooked to this app here. You can see that's what the camera is seeing right now. And we are mining honey tokens as we're driving. So what is going on basically is this picture is being uploaded to the cloud, and the purpose, the use case of this product is to replace Google Maps when it's all said and done. So as we're driving the roads, everything is being uploaded to the cloud with the ultimate goal to replace Google Maps by providing up-to-date street signs and directions, etc. Pretty cool project. I believe the camera, I'll leave a link to an article where you can read more and learn more about this. The last time I looked, the honey token was about 9 cents or so, and I have seen reports, we haven't been doing this that long, but I have seen reports and know people that say in a couple of weeks, you know, they've made $500 in honey tokens just turning these cameras on and connecting it to the app as I showed you, and recording as they're driving. I mean, if you just stop and think about it, it cannot get much simpler than that. You're going to be driving anyway with this dash cam turned on. You're making money while you're driving. Another really cool plug and play crypto project. If you haven't checked out the book that we wrote, you can get that at plugandplaycrypto.com. And hope this gives you a brain tweak. If it did, check out the article that I'll put in the description. And you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.